Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold markets. You can see markets continuing to coiling around 13 even area. So the retracement and bounce down from the significant fib level on the weekly chart and the weekly overbought was not really significant. Market just shows some minor retracement. In fact, it reminds me the appearing of the bullish flag pattern. Okay, it's in general here, but that's just on the first view. We know that here is significant resistance stand on the weekly chart, and most probable that market will show some retracement in respect of this area. And here we previously talked about a couple of patterns that could appear. Since this thrust looks really interesting, it's very promising, we could get Jordan pattern, either bread butter buy or double repo sell. But if you can see that the market has not continued moved lower right to this support area, that stands as a necessary condition for appearing on a bread butter buy. So market should reach this level within the 3 closes, and you can see that today session is the third session in the last session where it could be done. That's why as market has turned up again, it's probably hardly we will get any bread and butter, but we could get the double repo sell. So now we have the thrust up, close below the 3x3 moving average. Market has not reached the major fib support area, that's necessary condition. If it will get close above and then close below again, we will get the confirmation of the double repo. And the appearing of this pattern seems and looks absolutely normal, because we know that market stands under strong weekly resistance. We know that market has completed this butterfly pattern, and minor retracement to the 1250 looks absolutely normal, or even slightly lower. That will not be some tragedy for the gold market, and this will not mean any reversal. That will be absolutely normal retracement. That's why this will be our major primary object to watch for, whether the market will form any double repo sell pattern here in the nearest sessions till the end of this week. Alternatively, if today FOMC, Fed Reserve, will hint on some dovishness in their statement, that could lead just to upward continuation. That's also possible. That's another scenario that could appear. But this really could happen, because many analyses already start to hint that the growing strength of the US dollar has hit already the profit perspective on the forecasts on the earnings on the profit of the transnational companies. For example, if you will take a look at the recent and yesterday's statements for the fourth quarter of the 2014, the Microsoft shares has dropped for the 10%, Caterpillar has dropped for the 7%, then Intel also has dropped. So the companies across the board reduce the forecast of the profit in the coming year, and the growing strength of the US dollar absolutely doesn't support the perspective of the profit growing. That's why this as analysis suggests that maybe this could push Fed to make some and to input some dovishness in the comments concerning the rate hiking. If this really will happen, that probably, guys, we will not get any double repo and gold market just continue move higher. That's there could be a result of this. Anyway, if you'll take a look at the hourly chart, recall our double top pattern, and we said that yesterday we said when market stands here, that's absolutely not normal behavior. If market will forms double top, it should continue with the double top and acceleration below the neckline. But if market just coiling around neckline and turning up again, that will tell us that double top will fail. And as a result of this failing, We expect that market probably could take the shape of the butterfly and hit 1316 area maybe, or at least to show the wash and rinse of this top. That is very typical for the double repo pattern. Okay, so 1316 areas will be some here, right here. So it's absolutely normal second top for the double repo, and that will be very great if market will form this butterfly, because you know that the part of the double repo very often takes the shape of the butterfly on the intraday charts. That's what we'll be looking for on today's session and tomorrow. So the situation on the gold market is very interesting, and currently mostly depends on what Fed will say. That's why I do not see any necessity for anticipating of this and trying to take in position in advance, because if double repo will be formed, our confirmation candle should come when the market will start already the decreasing from this top. Or you could try to anticipate but wait when the market will complete this butterfly and trying to take the position based on the pattern and having the pattern on the back, but do not try to anticipate it before the pattern will be completed as butterfly, as the double repo on the daily chart. Or if market will show the acceleration further, in this case we will start to search for another opportunity. So that's our view on the gold market, and let's see what Fed will tell us today.